Okay, so in my template here, sometimes what we will want to do is convert a number from one format to another. So for example, I might want to format my prices back to just being a normal number. And I can do that simply by highlighting the actual cells, coming up to the drop down box, and I could just choose number from there. But we have a shortcut that allows us to do that a lot quicker. So all we do is select our range, as I've done up here, go Control Shift exclamation mark, and what you'll now see is that those numbers have gone from being a currency back to just being a plain number. So it's a very quick way of doing that. So the shortcut again is Control Shift exclamation mark.